everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to give you some tips on how you can protect your car during quarantine. So let's get straight to my car, which is parked right there. Let me show you. Let's go, which is parked right there. So guys, we are in the car now, and the tip number 1 is to start your car during this quarantine period for at least 15 minutes during a week. Let's just start it. And there it is. Now we are heading towards our step number 2, which is remove the handbrake of your car and set your car in a gear. You can choose either first gear or any other gear. I will prefer you to choose first gear. Tip number 3 is make sure all the windows are properly closed. You don't want any type of dirt or debris in your car setting in for a long period of time, as it may cause damage to all the interiors of your car. Next tip is avoid your car to park in direct sunlight. You can use car cover to protect your car from direct sunlight, as direct sunlight may cause damage to your car paint. So last tip is that make sure your car is placed on an even surface so that the shockers won't get any type of tension while it is sitting for a long period of time. Park your car on a plain surface.